we are going to see bar and column chart. Okay, totally 8 types irukku. Okay, first one is stacked bar chart. Second one is stacked column chart. Both are to compare what's across categories. So for example, taking Apple, Samsung, Vivo. If these are categories, then camera, battery, package, these are parts. Okay, so we are in stacked bar and stacked column chart. We are going to compare camera to Apple, Samsung, Vivo. Okay, so camera to Apple, Samsung, Vivo. See, I am taking one stacked bar chart. Okay, x-axis. So I am taking category in x-axis. Okay, category in x-axis. Comparing camera to each one. So segments in legend. Okay, segment in legend. Okay, and what? Values. So what is considered as values? Sales, quantity. Okay, those are values. No? So I'm taking see quantity in y-axis, right? See, blue color is consumer. No, so segment across category. Each parts across one category. Okay, so all segments across categories. Okay, compared to quantity. How many quantity? We if you click on and give this column, no, you will get this. Okay, both are similar. And then we are taking a one. Sorry, this is similar. No, another page. Taking one clustered bar chart. Okay, okay. Second one is clustered bar. Okay, sorry. Third one is clustered bar chart. Okay, fourth one is clustered column chart. Both are to compare categories side by side. For example, same example. Okay, so stacked bar and column chart, we have compared all segments to one category. All segments to one category. Here we are comparing one segment to all category. Okay, one segment to all category. For this you have to give okay x-axis. Sorry, yeah, what I have given. Give me a second. Has all segment to one to all. So one to all to one, right? Okay. So all three segment to one category. So three segments. Okay, wow. So taking segments as legendary. Okay, then I'm going to take categories in x-axis. See, and quantity in y-axis. So, look, do you understand? Four segments. All these three segments to one category. Okay, how many quantities? So this is same, no? Got it, no? Quantity, different segment to category. Okay, got it, right? So I'm going to paste it here. So this is our stacked bar and stacked column. This is our clustered bar and clustered columns. Okay, and next one is 100% stacked bar chart. Okay, fifth one. Okay, 100% stacked column chart. Okay, it both is to show what percentage, sorry, breakdown of total. Okay, percentage breakdown of total. Okay, similarly, so this is our example. Okay, having categories, no, then we are having the segments, then values, no, here taking profit. Okay, well, we are going to see show a percentage of profit. Okay, go to page 2, page 1 chart. So x-axis we have on y-axis, sorry. What profit breakdown. Okay, so we have x-axis, y-axis and legend. Okay, so x-axis, take categories in x-axis and our profit in y-axis. Okay, so which is going to, okay, segment, right, segments, I'm sorry, take segments as legend. See, okay, so say this is our 100% stacked column and 100% stacked data. Okay, then we are going to see this one. So this one is line and stacked column, right? Okay, line and stacked column chart. Our seventh one is line and stacked column chart. Okay, this one is line and stacked column chart. It is to show trends, okay, over time. Okay, I mean trends means movement over time. Okay, line. Okay, then columns on the is to visualize the contribution of different parts to a whole category. Got it? Okay, see, see line and stacked column chart. Okay, this line is to show trend over time, which means sales over time. Okay, these columns only is to visualize the contribution of different parts to a whole category. See, for example, we have two y-axis, no? Two y-axis, one is for line, no? So I'm taking, okay, sales in column y-axis, then profit in line y-axis. So profit, okay, how profit rises we'll see. Then x-axis, okay, so x-axis I'm taking cleaned category in x-axis. Okay, see profit. So technology, the profit is higher, no? Here profit is lesser compared to technology. Okay, we have one more field, column legend. Okay, see if categories is our column means segments are our legend. Okay, segments are our legend. For example, same example. See Apple, Samsung, Vivo are category. Then battery, these things are our legend here. Okay, so we are comparing two, sales and profit. Okay, here four categories segmented. Okay, corporate, consumer wise segmented, and seeing how sum of sales, okay, category the segment customer sum of sales is, okay, and profit line goes here. Okay, this is how we do clustered 100% this one line and stacked column chart. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, this is to, then we are going to see this one line and clustered column. Okay, next one is line and clustered column, same only. Okay, going to see line and clustered column. Okay, see here clustered column and is to compare values across categories. Okay, it is to show trend. Okay, okay, so click on here. Okay, so yeah, same to show trends over time. This column chart is to compare values across categories. Okay, um, same, clustered means one to, I mean, all segment to one category. No, see, for example, I am taking this cleaned category in x-axis means, then I should clustered means take segments as legend. Okay, then sales in, okay, column y-axis, I'm taking profit and line y-axis. See how beautiful. Okay, so if you know the difference between stacked and the clustered, okay, know the difference between stacked and the clustered means, okay, this one is our stacked bar, this one is okay, so totally 8 different charts are for bar and column chart. Okay, you should know the difference between stacked and clustered. Okay, stacked means, okay, stacked means comparing what, one segment to three categories, but here comparing three segment to one category. Okay, and this one is to break down the profit, and here we are showing two values, I mean two values in one chart. No, so a line is to show one value, column is to show one value. Okay, this is our dashboard. Okay, of using bar and column chart. So we have covered 8 different types of chart, just remember. Okay, just remember, a stacked means, see, camera, comparing camera to Apple, Samsung, Vimo, but clustered means comparing camera battery back is to Apple. You know the difference, no? Then 100% stacked bar chart, 100% stacked column chart, which means to show percentage breakdown of total. Okay, these are the categories. We are just show the breakdown of total. Okay, see, sum of profit. Okay, having giving category divided by segment. Okay, in axis we are giving this one. Okay, then line and stacked column chart to show trend over time. Okay, one is to show trend over time, one is to visualize contribution of different, similarly to show trend over compare values across categories. Okay, this is how we create our dashboard using stack bar and column chart. Okay, totally 8 chart. Okay, thank you.